Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss a new topic, relation. First, we discuss order pair. What is the order pair? If A is arbitrary element from set A belongs to set A and B be the element from set B, then the pair AB is called order pair. Equality of the order pair. Two order pair A1 B1 is equal to A2 comma B2 if and only if the first element of this order pair is equal to the first element of the second order pair. That is A1 is equal to A2 and second element of the first order pair and second element of the second order pair. B1 is equal to B2. Then this is called the equality of the order pair. Next come to the Cartesian product of two sets. What is the Cartesian product? The set of all the order pair of element A, comma B, where A belongs to set A and B belongs to set B is called the Cartesian product of set A and B. We denoted it as A cross B. Now, if A is equal to phi and B is equal to phi, then cross product of A into B is equal to phi. Next, if set A has element A, comma B and set B element 1, 2, then Cartesian product of A into B, A cross B is equal to, firstly write A first element of set A with first element of set B, A, comma 1. Next, first element of set A and second element of set B, A, comma 2. Next, taking the second element of set A, B and first element of set B, that is 1. And next, again, second element of set A and second element of set B, that is 2. Then this is the Cartesian product of A into B, A cross B. You can take the another example. If A is equal to 1, 2 and B set is equal to 0, 1, then A cross B is equal to the first element of set A 1 and first element of set B 1 into 0. Next, first element of set A and second element of set B. Next, taking the second element of set A, that is 2, and first element of set B. Next, second element of set A and second element of set B. And this is the Cartesian product, that is A cross B. Next, come to the relation. What is the relation? Then let A and B, if A and B are two sets, then relation R from A to B is subset of A cross B. It means R is the relation from A to B, R is relation from A to B if and only if it is a subset of, R is the subset of A cross B. It means relation is a subset of Cartesian product. Now, you can take it an example. If set A is 1 into 2 and set B is 0 into 1 and Cartesian product of A cross B is equal to 1, 0 and 1, 1, next 2, 0 and 2, 1. And if relation R is a relation from A to B and relation element in the relations are 1, 1 and 2, 0, these two elements are present in the Cartesian product of A cross B, 1 1 and 2 0. Therefore, R is the subset of A cross B. Therefore, this is a relation. Bola. Next, representation of the relation. We can represent the relation into with three ways. First one, set builder form. Second, roster form. Third, by arrow diagram. And last is a lattice form. Okay, the first one is a set builder form. Set builder form. This is from the set chapter. Here we define a relation R from set A to set B as R is the relation, then order pair XY where which belong to A cross B such that X plus Y is equal to 6. This is the set builder form where set X belong to set A and Y belong to set B. Next is the roster form. The same, where X and Y are the natural number, and in roster form we represent in data in curly bracket. Then X plus Y is equal to 6. Then taking the two element natural number whose sum is equal to 6. Then here the numbers are 1, 5. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. Next 5, 1. Next 2, 4. Next 4, 2. And last one is the 3 into 3. This is the roster form of this statement. This is the set builder form. This is the roster form. Next is by arrow diagram. By arrow diagram. Arrow diagram. Then the element of set A are linked to the element of set B by arrow. Then such kind of representation is called the arrow diagram. Let's take the example R1 A comma B belong to A cross B such that A is equal to B. This is a set builder form. And this one is the roster form 1 1 2 2 and next is the 3 3. This is the roster form. And next we represent these data by arrow diagram. This is set A and this is set B. The A set has 1, 2, 3 element and B set has also 1, 2 and 3. Then 1. Then this show the arrow diagram. Then 1 is equal to 1, 2 is equal to 2 and 3 is equal to 3. And this is the way to represent the relation. A is related to A, then 2 is related to 2 and 3 is related to 3 and 1 is related to 1. And last is the lattice form that we learn in the 8th, 9th and 10th class. When the element of the relation is expressed a point of Cartesian plane when relation is expressed in the lattice form. Let us take example, same example of 1 1 and 2 2 and next is a 3 3. Here this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. This is a 1 2 and 3 and here this is 1 and 2 and 3. Then 1 1. Next one x ka 2 and y ka 2 2 and next is x ki 3 and y ki 3. This is a 1 1 and this point is 2 2 and this is a 3 3. This is called the lattice form. So here there are the 4 ways to represent the relation, and in the next video we will discuss the types of the relation. If you like, then share and subscribe my channel.